So this week, there's not really a lot going on screen visually. I've made a window, I've got it to draw a triangle, and it textures the triangle as well, which took quite a lot of work and behind the scenes setup. But then hopefully in the next few weeks, I should be more set up for adding classes in. As you can see here, I've started adding a main sort of flow of screens, so models I should hopefully soon be able to just put in models, which I think I'm going to look at in the next week. Currently I'm just drawing the triangle on myself, but I want to change all of this so it all just reads it in itself. And I've got shader classes being set up, so I'll just be able to texture the model straight away, and then inputs ready to go in when I want to put input in, and so is the camera. So I'm going to start looking at adding models and possibly the collision code and movement, so I can test the collision for next week.